Welcome to English with Chanroth. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about holidays with awesome travels idioms. Idioms can be tricky to learn to use because the meaning of an idiom is different to the individual meaning of each word in the idioms. So, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you a few useful idioms that will help you talk about your holidays. Now, there are lots of English idioms, but learning to use some of them will help you to sound creative, interesting, and fun when you're using English. And of course, it will definitely help you to understand more of what English native speakers say. Let's get started with our lesson. Number 1. To travel light or to pack light. To travel light or to pack light. So if someone travels light or packs light, they don't take a lot of luggage with them on a trip. They don't take lots of bags. So, to travel light or to pack light means to bring very few things with you when you go somewhere. For example, we have to walk from the station to our hotel, so try to pack light. Another example, we only stay for 3 days, so we packed light. Number 2. To hit the road. To hit the road means to leave a place or to begin a journey. For example, we are going to hit the road at 7 a.m. means we are going to leave at 7 a.m. Another example, we'd better hit the road before the traffic gets even worse. One more example, let's hit the road now. We have a long way to go. Number 3, I'm off. I'm off means I'm leaving. I'm leaving. For example, she's off to Thailand next week for her holiday. Another example, I'm off now. See you tomorrow. Number 4, to put your feet up. To put your feet up means to sit down and relax, especially with your feet off the ground. For example, I'm off to the beach this weekend to put my feet up. One more example, you can go home and put your feet up. Number 5, to be on the move. To be on the move means to be traveling from one place to another. For example, we're going on the move next week, but we'll call you when we get home. Another example, Richard never stays home. He's always on the move. Number 6, break the journey. Break the journey means to stop somewhere for a while doing a long journey. For example, after 3 days of walking in the forest, we broke a journey at a small village by the river. Another example, hey Richard, let's break the journey here. I'm so tired. I can't continue anymore. One more example, we broke the journey at many beautiful places where we took photos. Number 7, to do something on a shoestring or to do something on the cheap. If you do something on the shoestring or on the cheap, you do it without spending a lot of money. The goal is to spend as little money as possible. For example, we plan to spend our next holiday to Thailand on the cheap. Another example, when he was a university student, he didn't have any money, so he always traveled on a shoestring. One more example, staying in hostels is a good option if you're traveling on a shoestring budget. Number 8, to live it up or to live the life. To live it up or to live the life. This idiom is used to say that someone is really enjoying themselves and they are having a really good time without worrying about anything, including money. For example, we're going to live it up for a week in Thailand. Another example, we're going to live the life on a beach in Cambodia next weekend. Number 9, soak up some sun. Soak up some sun means to lie in the sun and enjoy the sun's rays on your skin. How often do you soak up some sun? Do you prefer swimming or relaxing in the sun? Would you like to go to the beach and soak up some sun? Another example, I can't wait to get away and soak up some sun on the beach next week. It's a perfect way to relax in a summer vacation. Number 10, itchy feet. Itchy feet. Okay, so this idiom is used when someone feels the need to travel and they don't want to stay still. For example, after 3 years in the job, she began to get itchy feet. Another example, my friends always tell me that I've got itchy feet. One more example, the trip gave me itchy feet and I wanted to travel more. Can you think of any other idioms that you could use to talk about traveling or holiday? If you can, add them in the comment below in this video. Now, if you watch my lesson often, you'll know there's new video every week. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll find out when the next lesson available. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.